Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Soundcore application for a speaker Soundcore Boom 2 on iOS. You have to start by opening App Store. On the top you can see a search, so on this line you should write Soundcore. And install and open it. Allow and agree. And here we go, we just installed Soundcore application for a speaker Soundcore Boom 2. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leaving the like. It's really important to us. See you later.